Okay. Go.
Everything is computerized right now. Even you don't touch pilot like the steering, you can do with it. And this is Remarin, waterproof, and also you can dive with it.
Woohoo! And for me, my camera is waterproof, and it's raining, and I'm singing, and it's raining, and we're in Malaysia, and I'm singing in the rain.
Are you okay?
And I'm singing.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm not okay because it's raining, and I feel like a fisherman in this, and we're sailing the catamaran.
And I wet.
It's wet.
And I wet.
And it's raining.
I'm hungry and angry. I'm sick.
You are cuckoo.
I'm sepe.
I'm sepe. We are sailing in the rain, but there's no man in the rain, and it was raining, man. It's just raining on my legs, and we're singing a song, and Joey, I don't know what he's doing.
I'm shy. I'm shy.
Joey's seasick, and he has a manual, automatic
pilot.
And I have a retarded toe. Look, it's so retarded, I cannot even look at it myself. So fucking ugly. But what to do?
Hello, I'm Borat.
You're Borat? You're always Borat when I record. Okay. Say goodbye.
Ciao.
Bye bye.
Sawadee ka.